Sunday, May 20th. I'm in the South Gardens, and these are the tiered gardens, and these are the daylily transplants from the last 3 years on the top level here. There's a little bit of Dame's Rocket in there, and honestly a lot less Dame's Rocket than last year, and to be fair, there's almost no what's that crap called? Garlic mustard. Hardly any. Of course, I did pull a lot the last few years, but maybe it's just not a good year for that. We got, of course, mushrooms galore, but this is just crazy. I got to go in here, weed a little bit. There's a little bit of burdock in there, but not too much. If I can get down here to the second level, that's looking pretty good too, considering I transplanted all those last year. And then further down is Hosta Hillside, which is about 95%, what would I call it, 95% burdock free. There's a little bit down there, but nothing I'm going to get excited about. I dug a lot out with a drain spade. And up here, I guess these are these butterfly bushes? I can't remember. I planted these a couple years ago. I think I got them super cheap. They're already a couple feet taller than me. They just grow like crazy, and that's the purpose here. And over here on the side, we got those, these are Easter lilies, I think, or some kind of lily, I can't remember exactly. And then rhubarb, which went to seed super early because it's been, well, first winter lasted until about a month ago, and then it got hot, and that's what happens, which is probably why we don't have that much garlic mustard. Look at this little fella here, sprouted a little mushroom. Yeah. All right, let's go take a look at the rest of the front yard here. Miniature dogwoods, a little slow this year. How many times have I mowed the yard? I think this is the third time I've mowed it. Looking good. Overseeding. Iris are blooming. Looking beautiful. The ajuga's blooming. I got kind of a perennial seed mix planted in there. The bleeding hearts, not as crazy. I got a little weeding to do in there. Bleeding hearts, not as crazy as last year, but not bad. Daylily transplants. Privets are a little slow. They'll come around. Lilacs, well, I guess that's honeysuckle there. Starting to get past peak. The lilacs are past peak, nearly done. Although I guess this one's got a little bloom on it there. And of course our cat there in the garden. Juga down there is doing great. And the Hosta Hillside North, looking pretty good. Hardly any burdock in there, and there was a 2 or 3 garlic mustard. In the last couple of years I bagged, I don't even know how many bags I bagged. And then we got these are all hosta transplants, splits, filling right in, looking great. And the yews, and then of course Anne's fairy garden down here. Huh. We have a hedgehog. Thanks for watching.